Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ina Garten's coconut cake. 2 9-inch round cake pans. I have 3. I'm going to do an extra layer in between my cakes. I am letting my butter and my cream cheese sit out at room temperature so that it can get softened so we can use it, of course. We'll be using 5 sticks total of butter and a whole package of cream cheese, 1 pound. I'm going to set that back here to get room temperature. To get your cake pans ready, I have already cut some parchment paper. It's not wax paper. This is parchment paper, and you can fold it repeatedly until you get like a snowflake thing going. And then you can cut it so it matches the size of the pan. You're going to want to put butter in this, and then the parchment paper, and then butter again, and then a little bit of flour to make sure the cakes don't stick. So a little bit more butter on top of the parchment paper. You're supposed to dust them. Okay, dust. Our cake pans are now ready to be used. So I'm just going to set them aside until we get the batter done. So, approximately 10 ounces, and this is 7, so I'm going to be using about half of this for the batter, and then the rest of it plus a little more for decorating. Okay, so we start by having your butter, 3 sticks of butter in the mixer, and we're going to add vanilla and your almond extract next. Go ahead and pour all your sugar in there. Alright, let's go ahead and start creaming this. Stay in the bowl. Crack your eggs into a bowl, separate bowl, and make sure you don't get any eggshells in the mixture. See if I can do this. And then put them in one at a time if possible. Each 2. 2 at a time is okay. We're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of both vanilla, pure vanilla extract, and the same with your almond extract. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. That's good. Here's my milk. We're going to start with the dry ingredients and alternately pour dry ingredients and then the milk into the batter. Afterwards, we will fold in our coconut. So starting with your dry ingredients, pour some of those in there. This, we're going to fold in our coconut. 4 ounces of coconut. Evenly distribute the batter. You're going to want to make sure to smooth your cake pans out to make sure they completely work. Tap your pan back. And now for the sweet frosting. So I have my pre-sifted confectioner sugar ready, again with the vanilla and almond extract. This time we're using 3/4 a teaspoon of pure vanilla and 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond extract. That's 1 pound of confectioner sugar, 2 sticks of butter, and 1 pound of cream cheese, and 6 ounces of that sweetened shredded coconut. So now that these things have been sitting out at room temperature, they're ready to be whipped up into some frosting. So we're going to put our cream cheese and our butter. 1/4 of almond extract. Go. Low speed is fine. If your butter's not that soft, it'll the butter stick will fall out. Go ahead and start putting in our confectioner sugar. Oh, we could put our cakes in now. And the rest of it. And let's put in our coconut flakes. It says not to whip, so just let that be. We'll set that aside. And you are going to let your cakes bake in the center of the oven at 350 degrees. What says 45 to 55 minutes. My cakes are a little bit thinner because there's 3 of them. So I'm definitely going to watch it around 30 minutes and see how they're doing that. Maybe even earlier than that, because I don't want them to get burnt, and maybe they should be fine. It's coming out a little earlier than 45 minutes. This is the best part, the extra icing. That's going to be really good. So you're going to want to make sure these cool completely off now, this way, for at least 20 minutes or so. Really, as long as they're completely cool. So I'm just going to let them sit out for a while, and then I'll be ready to decorate my cakes. I was playing around with the dye and testing that out to see if it would work on the coconut flakes, and I had a blue mouth. Just be careful with the dye. Okay, now that your cakes have completely cooled off, whenever you're stacking them up, we're going to try and do maybe this one in the middle. He seems like the flattest. And this one face down right here. Let's just do a bottom layer like this. Oh, and if you want, instead of getting icing everywhere, we're going to put these in there on the side. It'll catch all the extra icing, and you can just pull them out real easily when you're done. Let's see how much we can put in the middle of these. This is going to be sweet enough, I'm sure, so make your layers and your icing, make it as thin as you want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and put this one face down also, because all the weight will go onto itself and tend to fill it all out. It'll be fun. Okay. It'll be okay. So we're going to put another layer of icing here. I don't have enough finish on it. Cover the whole cake.
When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I spend a lifetime waiting for
See, right here I'm trying to fill in the crevices so that it'll have a smooth exterior. Also, it's a spice rack turntable.
Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling.
Been decorating it, and then a video, and I know what music I want to play.
It's now or never, my love will wait. Just like a willow, we would cry an ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me, let your arms invite me, for who knows when we will meet again. Yes, this way now.
Oh my god, I just dropped the cake.
It's now or never, come hold me tight.
Good job, KitchenAid, good job.
My darling,
Now I have to clean up this mess.
be mine tonight.
And I have to eat the cake.
Will be tonight.
Take me a bite of that. Oh yes.
My love will wait. It's now or never. My love will wait. It's now or never. My love will wait.
Barefoot contestant at home, Ina Garden. And she has the coconut cake recipe in here. Pretty easy to follow. Lots of butter and cream cheese and sugar. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.